Hello students, you may be having many friends in your building or the place where you are staying or from your last year class, and you may be making many new friends. So in today's video we are going to learn about the importance of our new and old friends through a poem. So let's begin. 2.6 Friends Forever. So students, this is a poem. First I'll recite the poem, then I'll explain the poem to you. Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end, and that's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever we will always be. Now in this poem, the poet explains, here the poet's name is not written, but whoever has written the poem is explaining that you have to make new friends. Now suppose this, okay, this is you are making new friends. You're making one friend, then you're making other friend. So make new friends, but this is the old friend. This is the old friends. So make new friends but keep the old. Why we have to keep the old? Because if the new friends are like silver, so the old friend is like gold. Wait, I'll show you this. See, now this is an anklet of silver. This is anklet of silver, and this is of gold, ring of gold. Okay. So what the poet wants to say, that if they are like silver, if the new friends are like silver you can see, means it is a precious metal. You must have seen your mummy or daddy wearing silver ring or gold ring or silver ring. So you know what, which is more precious? Gold is more precious. Silver is also precious, but when we compare both of them, gold is more precious than silver. So the poet is saying new friends are like silver and old friends are like gold. So you should never forget your old friends. You should keep friendship with your old friends also. Though you make new friends, but keep your old friends. Now here the poet is saying a circle is round. You can see a circle, it is round. Does it have any end? It goes on round only. So the poet is saying that's how long I will be your friend. So we can be friend, never ending friendship. How the circle is there, same way our friendship should be never ending. There is no end, there should be no end to our friendship. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever we will always be. See here, across the land, across the sea, friends forever we will always be. The poet is saying that whether you are staying far or you are staying more far, like crossing the sea, far away place, far away country, but we will be always friends. For example, some of your friend may be staying in your village, so they are staying far in the same country, but some friends may stay away, very far away in some other country also. So but we can be we will always be friends. We can have contact with them through phone or letters. We can do video calling to them and talk, and we can be friends always. Though we are far, but we are always friends. Do you forget your friends if they go away? No, we always remember our friends. So this was the meaning the poet wanted to tell. So we'll recite the poem again. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever, we will always be. Now I'll show you this poem through the picture. Now here, make new friends. Yes, make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver, the other is gold. A circle is round, it has no end. You can see all are joining the hands. Does it have any end? This picture shows that we should be like this. Our friendship should be never ending. A round means there should be no break in our friendship. So a circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. So how the circle is having no end, same way our friendship will have no end. Now across the land, whether you are staying far away or you are staying across the sea, away, very far away, friends forever, we will always be. So I think so through the photos you must have understood and see the best friends, how they are hugging each other because they like each other. See the friends sitting together, spending moments together. Yes, you may be having so many friends whom you like a lot. Now we will do the exercise. First is vocabulary. Wait a minute. Whichever words are there, I have written on a piece of paper so that we can learn it. Friends, silver, land, forever, gold, circle, round, across. So now how to learn it? Break the word and learn it. Friends, fray, F-R-I, fray, ends, E-N-D-S, friends. Silver, S-I-L, silver, V-E-R, silver. Land, L-N, spelling of and, A-N-D, and, land. Forever, for, F-O-R, forever, E-V-E-R, ever. Gold, G-O-L-D, go and L-D, old, gold. Circle, circle, C-L-E. round, round, R-O-U-N, round. And when say we say round, which sound come? D sound. Across, AC, ross, ROSS. You may say, teacher, these words are so simple, but when we do simple words, then only we will start developing interest in hard words. Simple we know, then we will feel happy. Yes, I know simple words. Then you will try to break the hard word, big words also, and then I'm sure that you will learn how to remember spellings through breaking the words. Now we'll do from the notebook. Notebook, not much is there because this is a poem. Lesson poem 2.6, Friends Forever. Give rhyming words. Old, gold. CB, end, friend. Here you can see the rhyming word in the textbook. Old, gold. Round, end, friend. Then CB. I told you in the earlier this when I was teaching poem, students, you should try to write poems. You may say that, teacher, how we will write poem, we are so small. You take something like, for example, tree, and make 2 sentences, some rhyming word, because normally when we write poem, rhyming word should be there. So try to write 2-3 lines, and then make when you practice, one day you will learn how to write poem also. Okay. Now we'll do this like a worksheet. Today we have learned about friends, so we should know the quality of a good friend. If you are a good friend, then only you will be liked by everyone. Now quality means, qualities of a good friend means describing. You should describe that how your friend should be. In the previous lesson we have learned no describing word. So quality means it is telling that the good friend should be, they should have all these qualities, like helps you, plays with you, likes you, comes to your house, shares things, helps you when you need, gives you things you like, is nice to you, does not make fun of you. So what you can do, your friends are there, just this is a checklist. You see whether she's helping you, whether she plays with you, she likes you, comes to your house, shares things, help you when you need, gives you things you like, is nice to you, does not make fun of you. If she's getting right for all, no, then you can say that she's a good friend. Suppose other friend, she doesn't help you, she plays with you, she doesn't like you, but she plays with you. So here 2 wrong and 1 right here. Then comes to your house, no, she's not coming. Shares things, she doesn't share. Helps you when you need, no. Means you are asking yourself, for example, she's your friend, so about her name is Nita. So you just think on all the points, that whether she's helping you, she's playing with you, like this. If she's getting all right, means she's your good friend. If she's getting many things wrong, that means she's not your good friend. So like this you can just test your friends. Keep this paper and just put a tick. Write your friend's name and say tick tick tick. Who's getting more tick? Tick means right. So you can say that she is a very good friend. Fine. Now one activity for you. Here you answer the questions about your friend. This you have to do when this video I'll send this activity picture also. Students, as I earlier told, you may think that teachers giving so many activities, but if you do it is enjoying, you will enjoy the activity. It's not like writing a lot, not homework. It is when you write you will enjoy. Do you make friends easily? Right, whether you are making friends. Some children 1 minute they'll sit with somebody, they'll make friends. Some children after sitting for 1 hour also they cannot make any friends. So you write about this should be your response. How many friends do you have? Like 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? Name your friends. What are the name of your friends? Do you have any friends who lives far away from you? For example, your friends may be living far away from your house, or they may be living far away from your city. In village, they may, when you go to village you make friends, no? So right here, do you have any new friend? If yes, write yes. Which activities do you do with your friend? Now with your friend, what you are doing? You're playing games, then playing games at home, sometimes out, then you're sharing things with your friend, then you're dancing together, whatever activities you are doing, going to drawing class together, like that. How you can keep your friendship strong? Now what you will do so that your friendship will not break? You should have the qualities of a good friend, so your friendship will be strong. Here I have left only one line. You can write on a piece of paper or in any book. Your answer may be of 2-3 lines also. What do you and your friend have in common? Many times you and your friends, they are having like even you like dance, your friend also like dancing, all your friends are means like dancing, so that is common thing in you. So you can write like that. In which way are you and your friend different? Sometimes what happens, we make friends, means everything is right with us, but some certain things are there that we are different. Like you and your friend, you are very quiet and she is very talkative, so that is a different thing in you both. So you can write whatever is your answer. Why do you like your friend? This you have to give reason why you like your friend. She is very helpful, she shares things with you, whatever reason is there you have to write. Fine. Next, this is also activity. Here this is activity about your friend. You have to paste a photo of your friend and write her or his name. If she's a girl, write her means friend can be boy or girl, anyone. You can paste the photo. If you don't have a photo, no problem, you can draw however you can draw. Now you have to write about my friend likes to eat dash. You have to ask your friend what you like, write it. My friend likes to play dash, which game, you write. When you are together, we like to dash, means when we are together what we do. We sit together and talk, or we play. That you write. I like to help my friend. I like to help my friend. I help my friend. How you are helping your friend? Like helping in her studies, then teaching her some new craft work or drawing. Okay. My friend is dash year old. So write to how old is she? She or he. My friend has dash sisters and dash brother. How many sister your friend is having? How many brothers? Then I like my friend. So this was. Now students have made this like this to show friends forever. You can see like this. Yes, joining hands means we will be friends forever like this. Now I'll show you how to make this. You will enjoy it. I've taken a this. First take a paper. It should be long like this. Long paper. Then you make a one fold. When you are doing this and using scissor, take help from your parents, otherwise you may cut your finger only. So one fold, then make one more fold from your others. So I've done two fold. Now you can do one more fold. You can use marble paper, colorful marble papers, but I did not have marble paper, so I'm doing like this. Now after this you have to take a pencil or any sketch pen. I'll show with sketch pen so you will understand. Now I'm doing for a girl, so like this you have to do. Then hands, then you have to do like this frock. Then for the leg, shoe, and here. Now you have to cut it. But when you are cutting, take the help from your mummy or daddy. Or let them only cut. You do this much, then you can ask them to cut it and give you. See, and whenever you are cutting things, you should throw the waste in the dustbin. I always tell students, you should develop slowly you should develop good habit, because after craft period lot of waste materials are fallen down, like papers and all. Children are tearing, and but nowadays in school we don't allow scissor, but at home if you are doing it, don't wait for your mummy to throw this. You should throw in the dustbin. This is little thick paper, so it is taking time. If it is marble paper, it cuts fast. Okay, now we'll throw it first. So I'll open it now. You can see, so beautiful, no? I'll keep it like this because it is not visible. So you have learned how to make this girls joining hands, like dolls also with joining hands. So did you like it? I hope you have enjoyed this activity, and we have finished with our poem Friends Forever. And you should practice reciting the poem. When you recite again and again, then automatically you will learn the poem and understand the poem, what the poet wants to say, what is the meaning of the poem. Then once you understand the meaning, you can learn it very fast. Okay, whenever you're free, recite the poem, go on reciting the poem. Okay, so thank you, students.